Hey guys, Evan from Flat Out Graphics. I'm going to show you how to apply the decals that I supply on my website to your own center caps. If I don't offer the size that you're looking for, you can buy your own center caps on Amazon or eBay, something like that. I just confirm that they fit your wheels, and then you can buy decals from me, and I can make whatever diameter you want, and custom logos and all that fun stuff. So it's pretty simple. So when you receive your decals, they're going to be cured, fully cured. There's a resin over this vinyl sticker. So this is going to be fully cured. And you don't want to apply them without heating these up, because you want this to have some kind of flexibility so it matches this surface perfectly. So we're just going to use a heat gun. You can get a heat gun from Harbor Freight pretty cheap. You can use a hairdryer. I just used one before. It does take longer, but it does work. So I'm going to heat this up on the low setting, just nice and even. It doesn't need a ton of heat. It just needs to heat up that resin so it becomes pliable again. Check it a little bit more. So you can see it's starting to bend, but we still want a little bit more bend to it. You want that resin to be nice and soft. Let's try this. So you'll see it's nice and pliable now. So that's perfect. So this is the sticker. This is your center cap. So just line up the edges and press it on in there. And then you're going to want to make sure, like, you can kind of see on the edges, it's not pressed down enough. So you're going to want to go around the edges and make sure that you get that full adhesion while the resin is still soft on your cap, just like that. And then don't push down on that center, because this has like a hole in it. You'll indent that center, so don't do that. But just make sure like the edges are nice and applied nice and even on there. And then there you go. And then you'll have some custom decals on center caps that fit your wheels. Let me know if you have any questions or anything. I'm always happy to help. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.